Ready? Start. When a court of sessions or court of a magistrate convicts a person of any of the offences specified or of abetting any such offence and is of opinion that it is necessary to take security for such person for keeping the peace, the court may order him to execute a bond for keeping the peace for period of 3 years at the time of passing sentence on such person. These offences are any offence punishable under chapter 8th of the Indian Penal Code or any offence which consists of or includes assault or using criminal force or committing mischief or any offence of criminal intimidation or any other offence which caused or was intended or known to be likely to cause a breach of the peace. If the conviction is set aside and on appeal or otherwise, the bond so executed shall become void when an executive magistrate receives information that any person is likely to commit a breach of the peace or disturb the public tranquility or to do any wrongful act that may probably occasion a breach of the peace or disturb the public tranquility and is of opinion that there is sufficient ground for proceeding, he may require such person to show cause that why he should not be ordered to execute a bond for keeping the peace for a period of 1 year as the magistrate thinks fit. When an executive magistrate receives information that within his local jurisdiction there is any person who either orally or in writing or in any other manner disseminates or attempts to disseminate any matter whose publication is punishable under Indian Penal Code or any matter concerning a judge acting in the discharge of his official duties which amount to criminal intimidation or defamation under the Indian Penal Code or makes, produces, publishes, or keeps for sale, imports, exports, sells, hires, distributes, or puts into circulation any offense matter and the executive magistrate is of the opinion that there is sufficient ground for proceeding, the magistrate may require such person to show cause that why he should not be ordered to execute a bond for his good behavior for a period not exceeding 1 year. No proceedings shall be taken under this section against the editor, proprietor, printer, or publisher of any publication registered under and edited, printed, and published in conformity with the rules laid down in the Press and Registration of Books Act 1867 or under the authority of the state government or some officer empowered by the state government in this behalf. Stop over.